Center, part of Three Rivers Park District. And today for our campfire recipe, we have Pizzaritos, which is basically a pizza folded into a burrito, cooked over the fire. The ingredients that we need for our Pizzaritos, some foil tortillas, your toppings of choice, some sauce, a little spoon to spread things around, and you're set to go. So when you're putting this all together, you take your tortilla, put it on the foil, give a nice healthy squirt of pizza sauce. Take your spoon, rub it around. Pick what toppings you like. I'm gonna add a little olives. I like olives. Some onions and peppers. Actually, for me, lots of onions. I also like pepperoni. And the key is don't fill this too full because you do need to be able to totally wrap it together. And then cheese. Add a good amount of cheese. We'll take and fold it in just like a burrito. And make sure it's all covered. Foil it any way you want to. And then you can either put this in the oven at home, or if you've got a campfire, put it right in the coals or on the grill like we're gonna do tonight. So our Pizzaritos, our burritos, whatever you want to call them, are ready to go. We're gonna set those on the grill. The really nice thing about these, everything inside is already pre-cooked. So if they're on the al dente side, they will be just fine. If they're a little Cajun blackened, they'll be okay as well. Again, keep flipping them. You can check them every once in a while. You'll know that they're done when they feel kind of mushy. The cheese is melted, and sometimes the tortillas will get a little brown on the outside. So I think they're about done. I'm gonna pull this off. Put it up here. I'll do a little check. Watch your fingers. So I've got some nice golden brown on there. We'll flop it onto our plate. Oh, I can tell that the cheese is on there. Well, open it up and see what we've got. What we've got here is a delicious dinner. Thanks so much for joining us for a little pizza burrito. Pizzarito.